There have been many times while working in Coreldraw that we have to power clip a text or object to another object. To do this, we have to go to a different option, which seems like a cumbersome process. Is it possible that we can change it to a simpler and better shortcut? So let's create some shortcuts on our keyboard that will make it very easy for us to power clip. Open Coreldraw, and to create power clip shortcuts, first go to the Tools option and click on Customization. After clicking on Customization, you go to Commands option. And find the Object option and click on it. On scrolling, you will see the Power Clip option, which you have to select and go to its shortcut option and press W. Scroll down and find Finishing Power Clip and press F in its shortcut. Now scroll down to Extract Contents and put in an X there. Now find the Edit Power Clip and press E. So your Power Clip shortcut has been created. Practice it and it will work more smoothly.